All right, number 17. Only about 10% of child car seats are installed correctly. What is 10% as a fraction in simplest form? Percent means per 100. So we've got 10 per 100. Remember, they want you to do this in simplest form. So important, so key. You read all parts of the directions. So we can divide these both by 10. When you divide them both by 10, you get 1/10. Number 18. What is 0.2 as a percent? Everybody seems to fumble this one. Hey, remember, you can always add a 0 here. Slide the decimal over 2 spots. You get 20%. Literally, if we're going per 100, this says 2/10 right here. 2/10. Think about it. That's not per 100. You have to multiply by 10 to get this over to 100. So you got to multiply the numerator by 10. 20 per 100. That's 20% now. Number 19. What value is equivalent to 3/4? Two ways of doing this. Here we go. Division house. What falls in? The 3. The 3 becomes your dividend. The 4, your divisor. Add a decimal, add a decimal, add a 0. 4 goes into 30. 7 times. 30 minus 28. 2. Bring down a 0. 4 is going to go into 20. 5 times. 0.75. Slide it over 2 times. You get 75%. The other way of doing this. 3/4. Is 4 a factor of 100? You bet it is. How do we get from 4 to 100? Multiply by 25. Multiply the top by 25. That's 75%. Alright, number 20. Carl bought a used motorcycle for $3,500. He paid a 13% down payment. What is the down payment in dollars? What does that word down payment even mean? That's just like saying, hey, I don't have $3,500 right now, but what I'll give you is maybe $500 right now. That's a down payment. You're going to pay the rest back later. So in this case, we're not giving $500. We're giving 13%. So, $3,500. Couple ways of doing this. We could say 10% of that would just be moving the decimal over 1 spot. So 10% of that would be $350. And it's going to be a little more than $350 because this says 13%. The other way of doing this, just multiply that 3,500 times 0.13. Let's go. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 0 again, 0. 3 times 5, 15. Carry that 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 will leave us with 10. Add a 0 for placeholder. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 5 would be 5. 1 times 3 would be 3. Add them up. 0, 0, 5, 5, 4. Just remember, you got to slide the decimal as many as there are here. There's 2 after the decimal here. There's none here. So slide it once, twice. $455.